可以让它再煮一下下，不过整体味道还不错。
试着把它弄起来，没用没。
Thank you so much. Enjoy the vehicle, okay? Yep.
Thank you.